Hey guys, welcome back. We are basically at the end of the build now. All I have left to do is some of the more kind of decor-y bits to go in here now. I have hanging storage that I would like to hang on the walls. I have tiles to put on my splashback. I have some like aluminium metallic sticky back tiles to put on. Let's think what else. Just all the finishing touches now. So that is the van, made all nice and cozy and looking nice inside. There is obviously still things that I want to get finished. I need to have like a box drawer, some sort of contraption for my little garage area, which I'll be accessing from the driver's side sliding door under the bed. I also need to have the toilet, my compost toilet box built. Currently I'm just going to use my old setup from my Mini Cooper conversion, which was basically a little compost bucket, but I will be building a bigger box that can be sat on, which will go near this sliding door. And then obviously there's always extra things to be done. There's tweaks here and tweaks there that need to be done, but those will come as and when I get to them. I have some really nice hooks I want to hang up for hanging things like I don't know, coats or whatever on, but until I know the best location for them, once I've tested the van out and see which would be the best locations, I'm hanging fire on hanging those up. Although I do at least have some on my sliding door for when I'm in the back of the van to hang your clothes up at night, so they're off the floor while she's sleeping. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I shall hopefully see you very soon for my first test run. I'm planning probably in the next few days locally to do a short run. I need to test it out because I will be going onto the mainland very soon. So I shall see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.